Did you know there is a garden oasis right in the middle of BGC?
What? We are the Solinaws.
In this video, we are gonna take you to what we consider the heart of BGC.
So one day we were walking around our neighborhood.
In BGC, and just 5-10 minutes away from our home,
We found
a sustainable garden.
that is called the
The Urban Farmers Community Garden.
in BGC.
So the Urban Farmers started in Bel Air in Makati in the Philippines, and now it's in 3 or 4 locations.
So basically it all started with this one man, a father, who had the courage to ask the landowner of this piece of property if he could clean it up and in return use this piece of land for gardening and some plants and greens. And this was all during the pandemic. He got a yes, and that is how it all started.
I'm Farmer Andy. Black.
Ako si Lindsay, and this is Isa.
Hello there.
But what are you planting?
Yeah. This time, as you can see, we will finish the transplanting of the tomatoes, the eggplant, and the cucumber. And over there is the purple corn. Beside the squash.
Kalabasa.
Yes, kalabasa. And between kalabasa, we planted the hot pepper. After the squash ulit, we planted the tomatoes.
So the Urban Farmers want to help displaced workers get a new place of work. They also want to teach and inspire about agriculture. They also want to come up with solutions to food and material waste,
Yeah.
and unite communities through healthy gardening.
When did you start this place?
We just opened last March.
Last March pala.
Yes. We have different activities given to the community. We do this pick and pay. Community neighbors here, they can go here and pick vegetable in one plastic bag just for only 200 pesos. All vegetable that can accommodate that pack, you can put any vegetable.
Every day, may
Yes,
vegetable
every
to buy.
day.
So you just come here and then.
And then pick what the available vegetable.
One thing that we learned when we went to the Urban Farm in BGC was that they do hold one-on-one sessions, not only for adults but also for families, which I find is really great.
Every weekend also we have these different activities. We call that Farming 101.
Farming 101.
Yes, we teach basic farming. Every individual who want to learn basic farming.
Super nice.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we do that for kids, for adults, and for family. We also have this, we call that rent a pot.
Oh,
You can adopt a pot
really?
on your own.
So you can plant what you want.
Yes. That pot is for you only. Actually, many corporate, they are the one already have 10 plots for each company.
That's really good.
You're helping farmers when you adopt a pot also. We are the one recreating or this making their gardens for the student, because the idea also of this project is to share also to other people.
Spread the word, spread the knowledge.
Important of the, because of this pandemic, we are now health conscious. That's why we also want to learn this student also from this.
So through Urban Farmers, you can help communities in need with their charity and paying it forward model.
And I'm sure there are more things to urban farm that we just haven't been able to mention right here. So just check out their website and learn more.
So we think this is a lovely project, and we think there's a need for more of this
Yeah.
in the world.
I would love to see this in like every city basically. Not only the big cities, but every city.
But especially in the big cities, it's important to keep connected to nature
Yeah.
in a way.
It will help in so many ways. Fresher air, pollination, more bees that we need now in this world.
It's good to know where your food comes from.
Yes.
Not just seeing it in the grocery store or supermarket, but actually know how to plant your food, how to grow your food, and how to harvest it.
Understand the process of it and the hard work of it. So like if we were to grow more things, trees and everything, then it will also help more with decrease the risk of floodings and everything like that. So basically it would be a win-win.
Situation. So urban farmers, you
Thumbs
rock.
up. You're amazing.
Keep it up. Thank you for watching. We hope you liked it and maybe learn a little bit more about growing your own food.
So if you want to continue following us on our journey, make sure you subscribe and hit the subscribe button down below, and
Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.
exactly.
And we want to hear from you, of course. So if you have any comments, any questions, anything you want to see on this channel, leave a comment below this video.
So until next time, take care and
Ingat, no?
yes,
Ingat.
mag-ingat
Mag-ingat.
kayo dyan. Ingat palagi.
Ingat palagi.
See you around.